Yeah, what's good, everyone? Trade recap for today. Ended up getting a pretty clean setup and just had to wait till 11 a.m. once again. It's kind of been like the reoccurring theme for this week and probably the rest of December. But today is FOMC day, and then if you guys do remember me saying, I really wanted to see us come down kind of like from the start of the week until either Tuesday or Wednesday. Happened to be Wednesday this week, and to get that really hard manipulation to the downside on the higher time frames. And then once we get that, maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, it was today, we get that nice manipulation after taking previous day low, and then looking for the expansion. Again, it took a little longer than expected. Again, I had to wait till 11 a.m. today. But it's no big deal. Sometimes it is what it is, and just gotta have the right patience. But yeah, super clean, pretty clean price action today after it cleaned up around 11. So I'll hop into the bias, and the bias stays the same, especially because we were reacting out of this hourly gap pretty nicely right here. Pre-market around 8, we were reacting to this bearish 1 hour. So I was really looking. I wasn't going to take a trade until previous day low was taken. So after we got that reaction, let's see, super choppy. Again, FOMC day is expected. Hands off until previous day low gets taken. Boom. Now there was a couple fake outs, I think. If we go back, this was the first trade for previous day low, and it wasn't super valid, only because we had this 1 minute right here, and then we had a 1 minute above and a 2 minute about to be created. So I really wasn't looking to trade that. I wanted to see a nice resweep as well. So we resweep here. We also put in an SMT right here, and then from there, again, just looking for the highest time frame. Boom. Got the 2 minute inversion. Stop at that protected low. And I was just looking for the low hanging fruit, right? I always say that I go for 1-to-1s unless more is given. In this case, we didn't really have. We had this 5 minute, if it's even. Yeah, it's not even a 5 minute, but it was a 4 minute I went break even at right here. So that's my break even point. Just looking for a clean flush now. We came down a little more into drawdown, and then we had that beautiful candle from here. Probably could have went break even here, but I waited for that 4 minute to get tapped, which we did. And then it was pretty clean from here. Boom. So pretty clean setup. And then I could have held. Honestly, I expect to go all the way up here by from FOMC and everything. I think we're sitting pretty high still. Yeah. But that was my trade again, just because I wanted to get the low hanging fruit. And yeah, we'll see what I'm gonna watch FOMC and everything. I'm not gonna trade it, but just want to see if my weekly bias was correct. I'm expecting a push, hopefully up to London, to the 1 hour, and then ultimately this daily by the end of the week. So yeah, that was a trade for today though, super clean. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty quick recap. Not much else to go over, just because how choppy we were. And yeah, we'll catch you boys tomorrow or Friday. Whatever setup I get, I will recap it with you guys, win or loss. So yeah, stay safe today. Don't force any trades with FOMC. It's not worth it. And yeah, peace out.